Hello fellows, we have here the things for making a bow and arrow. Is this pocket edition?
Yeah, no.
We have here a scissors. And we have here three barbecue sticks.
Squares.
We have here a thread and scotch tape. But for better results, use duct tape, right?
Yeah.
And now our origami boy will demonstrate how to do it. Wait lang, i-ano mo. Okay, this barbecue stick will be put on one side of the first stick, and the other barbecue stick will be put in the end of the other stick. See how it works? Here is the first stick. Here will be put in the middle of the two sticks, and it will look like a mountain, but not a mountain, it's a flat mountain, I guess. And our origami boy will scotch tape end to end. You'll see what will happen. Okay, now this is the scotch tape level. This is a long scotch tape secured by two short tapes on sides, and the other is the same as the one. Now, our origami boy will demonstrate the another move. Another fold, I guess. Okay. First, he will cut the two ends.
I'll not cut it.
He will just put a line on it. See what this is doing. It's very hard to cut a barbecue stick with an original scissors, is it, guys? Now, that is what happened. He will do the same thing in the other side.
Oh, yeah.
See, guys? Oh, now, Ven will cut some of the thread.
First, tie a slip knot.
There. Just a minute, Gap. Hello.
Ligo mo.
Okay, guys. Here, we have here the thread. Just cut the same length as one on the other side. The length of the thread will be half a meter or more. We will show how you tie it on the line which appears to be here. Tie a slip knot on the side. And put it in the stick gap.
But just bend this and put it like this.
See? See, guys? Our origami boy will do something to secure it. See? Now it is ready for archering. Stay back for our next tutorial, the bow. Bye guys!